I'm Mark Eckman of the Council Bluffs Convention and Visitors Bureau, and today I'm with Thomas Roberts of Harrah's Casino and Hotel, voted Best Hotel in Pottawattamie County. Congratulations, Thomas. What does this award mean to you?
Thank you, Mark. It means the world. We have a great hotel team here. Our company, Caesars Entertainment, has put so much money into our property to take our hotel that hadn't been renovated in 20 some odd years to bringing it up to a standard that's probably the best in the area. It's not just about the hotel room, it's about our guests and making sure that when they're here that they feel like they're at home, and we take care of our players and our visitors, and we're so honored to have this opportunity to showcase our property.
Is there something about the hotel that the public doesn't know that they should know?
Yeah, we just completed a $14 million renovation. Finished our front desk, our hotel lobbies, as well as every room in the property. Our hotel is the anchor for us with Stir Cove, a small casino. Like I said, it's a jewel here in Council Bluffs, and we're just excited to be able to operate that here.
Is there anyone you would like to give a shout out to?
The team that's around me, Robin, she's our hotel manager. She manages both of our hotel properties. Jennifer, our director of hospitality, and then Jill and Mike, who continue to focus on making sure that every guest that comes in here has a VIP experience, and that's something we're very proud of.
It really shows. Well, once again, congratulations on being voted the best hotel in Pottawattamie County.
Thank you.